Happy holidays! Hey everyone, it's Richard Rost with Access Learning Zone. It's that time of the year again. I'm running my one and only sale of the year. Yes, my holiday sale. I do one sale. This is it. So whether you're celebrating Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, Festivus, or any of the dozens of holidays this time of year, it's the perfect time to grab those lessons you've been thinking about at a huge discount. Right now, you can get 50% off all of my courses, seminars, and templates on my holiday sale page. And if you've been thinking about becoming a member, now's the time to pull that string. Memberships are also available on my website with a special bonus. Sign up for a year, get an extra month free. Again, on my holiday sale page. So if you've been wanting to expand your skills in Microsoft Access or anything else that I teach, now is the best time. Grab your favorite lessons, join our awesome community, and take your learning to the next level. But remember, this is a limited time offer. The sale runs through the end of the year, and you have to use the link shown on my holiday sale page to get that special price. And of course, prior sales are excluded from this offer. Oh, and current members, don't worry. Santa's got a little extra holiday cheer coming your way soon. Check your email over the next few days for a special offer just for you guys. So that's it. Have a wonderful holiday season. Happy learning, everyone, and as always, live long and prosper.